So, hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? How are you,
I'm
Bina?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. Today is Saturday, all are at home, so we just have a quality time, all of them.
Okay, so how is your day going so far till now?
Yes, it's all good, in weekends, we specially cook something delicious to enjoy with one another. So that's what we I have been doing since morning. Before taking
Okay,
session. Yes, we had cutlet in the morning. Children also get enthusiasm by having something fresh. Else they every day go by hurriedly eating by having their breakfast and taking food. So they do not enjoy their meal. So we just
right.
ensure that on Saturday and Sunday they have, whatever they want, whatever they like to have. So we just give them already
Okay,
their exams are going on, so they get refreshed because right now they cannot go out to enjoy. So this
right,
way
right.
we just make them enjoy at home.
Yes, right. Food is something which can make means children or
Yes,
something everyone
yes,
happy instantly.
yes,
We-
yes, definitely, definitely. So what about you? Can you tell me something about yourself? I would love to know.
Yes, ma'am. So as we are meeting first time, so yes, I will introduce myself. My name is Beena Negi. I hail from a beautiful state, Uttarakhand. I have completed my post graduation and nowadays I'm practicing in court. Means I'm a practicing advocate.
Okay,
Earlier, I was looking for a job. That is why I wanted to improve my English speaking skills. But nowadays, I'm very passionate about this language and I'm enjoying the process. Means the listening, watching, and speaking part in
okay,
English. I'm enjoying the most. Yes, and apart from English, my hobbies are reading, cooking, and dancing. But
okay,
I'm not good at dancing. So, yes,
okay.
in future, when I'll get a chance to learn dance, I will learn that too. Yes, that's a bit
Okay.
about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. I think if you love dancing, you can try in some function like marriages or any kind of parties. You can try at that time. Though I
Right.
do not like dancing, but I still try. I do not miss any chance whenever I get. So you can try
Yes,
that too.
I also do that, but I'm not that much good, I can say. I want to learn the means of specific form of dancing, that is
Okay.
contemporary form of dancing. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I can
Yes.
dance on band or DJ, but yes, the
Yes. Yes.
particular form of dance I want
Mm-hmm.
to learn. Yes.
Actually, same way I like acting very much. In my school days, I used to get so many prizes, especially in mono acting, in which
Okay.
one person is performing all the character tasks. So
Wow.
yes, I was very good at it. I was so much popular. People know me as an actor in my school. So I enjoyed in my school days. I have so many medals and certificate regarding that. After that, I did not get chance, but definitely if, I want to fulfill this also, whatever you have your desires, whenever you cannot fulfill it, so you
Right.
feel like whenever you get free from the responsibilities or when you get little time for yourself, you must do something regarding that just to fulfill it. I love doing it because I think my expressions are very good. Whenever I imitate someone or copy someone, I just do exactly them like that.
Wow. So do you do mimicry too?
Not mimicry, but yes, I have never tried actually, but I love
Oh,
seeing. Like there is an actor I don't Johnny Lever. Whenever I
okay.
see his daughter, she mimics so much good of many
Yes.
actresses. Yes, an actor. So I have never done it, but I would like to do. I love all these kind of stuff very much.
Okay. That's nice, ma'am.
Yes. So as you were telling me, like earlier, you were thinking to do job. So for
Right.
that point of view, you want to improve your English. So have you done job, or you are thinking to do?
Actually, I'm practicing in court as I have completed my law, means LLB. So after that, we have to do practice. Earlier, I was trying in corporate sector,
Okay.
but now I'm thinking that I have to take some experience first
Okay.
in lower courts and all. After that, I will look for a job in corporate sector.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you think? How much English is important in any IT sector or company? What do you think? Do you think it's important?
Yes, I think English is very, very important in every sector we can see,
Yes.
not in not specifically in IT or corporate like, but in every sector. Nowadays, if someone comes to us who doesn't know our mother tongue or our native language, and we have to talk with him or her, so for that too, English is very important. So
Yes.
English, it's a global language and it's very, very important. And for jobs, if we see any job description, so there is the first and foremost eligibility is there that you must be fluent or excellent in this language. So yes, English is very important, and I think it boosts our confidence too. I can say yes. If
Yes.
we know this language, it feel confident.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. But you know, if
Right.
someone asks me, nothing comes to my mind. I love to speak in this language. I love. I don't know. I don't think about, I was also a teacher. I have done job also. And there in schools also, even you take the smallest school, English is mandatory. Even there,
Yes.
yes. Even if anyone is, answering you in Hindi, suppose a parent has come to you, he is talking to you in Hindi, but you have to answer in English. It has become mandatory, especially in Delhi schools. So
Right, right.
yes, my passion evoked from that time, but I don't know. I have become totally insane about this language. Every time I feel like to talk, whether my in-laws understand or not, but I feel like I just talk with them also in this language. I love this language. I
Yes,
don't know. I have become very much passionate, you can say.
right. I think now you are more comfortable in this language. That is why you are enjoying this.
Yes, but I still think that I need to go so far because when it comes to something different, I stuck. So
Yes,
I told earlier also to someone that I want to speak like a native speaker. That is
okay,
my aim now. Yes, let's see when do I reach there. For this, I think practice and consistency is must there. I think
right,
without that, because if you do not practice even for 2 3 days, you start getting stuck. So for
right,
this, you need to
right,
take out time, especially if you're married and you have children and responsibilities, then it becomes little challenging for you to spare time for yourself. So that I have been struggling.
right, right. But yes, I think over time you will achieve that thing too.
Yes,
Because learning, but still learning is, we can say that learning is never ending process.
yes, yes,
The more we
definitely.
will learn, the more things will there to learn or achieve.
Yes, yes, yes. And there are so many levels of English, like basic
Right,
English,
right.
advanced English. I just want to reach that level. So I'm just
Yes,
working on
yes,
it. Yes,
yes.
yes,
There are so many levels, yes.
yes. So
Now,
you ever tried to take any classes?
no, ma'am. Since July, I started to speak in this language, means to have conversation with people. But till now, I didn't take any classes. But yes, sometime I also think about to taking classes in English Yari. Nowadays,
Yes.
English Yari is very popular,
Mhm.
and everyone is taking
Yes.
classes there. And tutors are also very supportive, I think. If we want to achieve, means we want to be an advanced speaker. So yes, I think for that taking classes is a must. But as nowadays I'm just learning to improve or learning to, means I want to enhance my communication skill. So I'm doing that thing by myself only.
Okay, yes, because I have also seen many YouTubers by taking classes in 1 month or 2 months, they have reached to another level. Like
Right,
they have
right,
come to a very comfortable zone while speaking. So I
right,
think it is very helpful.
right.
So
I
what
also
are
feel
the
so.
other ways you are only, is this the way you are, taking out time to improve yourself, or is there other way also? Like do you spare time also to read or to listen something?
Am I visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So yes, actually, as I have told you that I started speaking since July. But yes, I was into listening and watching earlier too, and nowadays too, I'm listening and watching more and more content. Sometimes I read things too because I love to read fictional books, fictional novels. So yes, I read that, or sometimes I try to write something, But I
Okay.
think it's very difficult for everyone to write down things.
Yes, yes.
So yes, I do that too. And yes, I love watching podcasts and conversational videos. And apart from that, I love to watch kid stories.
Yes,
Stories.
yes,
I love that most. So
yes.
yes, I'm doing the same thing right now.
Yes, as you told kids stories, it also remind me my time, when now they are 12 years old, but before that, 1 or 2 years before, daily it was my routine. I used to read one story and narrate them at night. So this was the best way to narrate story to them as well as to, improve my fluency. So it was my daily routine that I have to read one story and narrate them in English. So I think
Right,
that also helped me a lot to improve.
right.
So I
And
think yes, you don't need every time every any partner to communicate. You can improve it by yourself also.
right, right,
You
right.
can narrate
Right,
anything to yourself. Whatever you like, any serial or any series which you like, you can narrate to yourself. It is the easiest way. And to know your mistakes, you can record it also. Like whenever we are speaking, many times we commit so many mistakes. We do not come to know like
right,
how to improve. This way, you can improve your. You can record your video and audio, and after that, you can listen. So this way, you can find out your mistakes and can work on it. I think this is good way.
right. Yes. Actually, when I started, I also did the same thing that I used to narrate each and everything. Whatever I was doing at that time, I used to narrate everything to myself that I'm doing this, that, like this only. And it helped me to boost
Yes.
my confidence. And yes, after that, I thought that yes, I can speak in this language.
Yes, yes. So I would love to know about your family members. Who all are you living alone or living with them?
Yes, nowadays I'm living alone. As I have told you that I'm a practicing advocate. So I live in Haldwani and
Okay.
I'm living here in a PG. But yes, my family members are living in my hometown, that is in near Rani Khet in
Okay.
Uttarakhand. So
Okay.
yes, there are my father, mother, and we are three siblings and my grandmother.
Okay. So how long have you been here?
I think I came here on 1st of September only.
Okay.
Yes.
Recently.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Recently.
Okay. So means is it not? Are you not missing them? Is it not difficult to stay without family? But we have to see our career also. For that sake, we have to sacrifice a little.
Right. Actually, nowadays I'm quite busy in my daily routine or in my work. So yes, I'm not missing them that much, but still I miss them. And yes, whenever I miss them, I call them and talk. Yes.
Okay. So tell me something about your place. Like there is so much of cold, and where you are living, what kind of weather is there? Are you able to cope up?
Yes, it's quite different from my hometown.
Okay.
It's more means we can say there is more hot or
Yes.
the weather is quite humid or muggy here.
Yes.
But
Yes.
yes, in my hometown the weather is quite pleasant.
Yes.
So yes, I feel sometimes little agitated, but not that much. I think my body is something like that, which can be comfortable in any weather or environment.
You can
So
adapt with any kind of weather, no?
yes, ma'am, yes,
Okay. Okay. Because Uttarakhand is known to be the coldest place.
yes, right,
Yes. So, because I have seen many people in whenever they have holidays and all, they like to go to such kind of places just to
right, right,
experience the cold weather.
right. So many travelers, or maybe we can say tourists, come here in Ranikhet and Almora or
Oh,
Nainital. Yes,
okay. So you must be feeling lucky, no? Living over there. Yes,
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 we
yes.
feel lucky. Yes,
Yes, because in Delhi, maximum months goes in, heated
yes,
weather.
right,
Maximum time there is cold. The winters are only, limited to only 2 months maximum.
right,
December, January, and at the most February. February only cold breeze blows on, nothing else. So we do
right,
not experience much winters here. We
right.
experience 7 to 8 months only, hot weather, nothing else. So here in Delhi, especially, people like to go cold places. Yeah.
Right, right, you're right, ma'am. Yes, many people come here to enjoy the summers.
What are the other places that tourists visit like to see? Anything speciality? Any special thing?
Yes, ma'am. I think Uttarakhand, as Uttarakhand is famous for its hill station. First, I have told you like Ranikhet, Nainital, Almora, like that. And the other thing means the most important thing for which Uttarakhand is famous is its temple.
Temple.
There are ample amount of temple in Uttarakhand. Like you, maybe you know Kedarnath, Badrinath. You might heard about
Yes,
them too.
yes, yes.
And there is quite places in Almora too, like Jageshwar Dham, Kasar Devi, Chitai Golu Mandir, and there are a lot of mandir we can say. Yes,
Okay, I think it's quite amazing to, especially
right,
for people who are very spiritual, they can also go there. Who want to experience cold weather, they even can go there. It's very good
right.
to because I have only heard. I have never got a chance to go there, but I wish to go.
And
That's why when I
Nainital
come to
and
know,
yeah,
yeah. Please,
yes, and Nainital and Bhimtal is famous for its lake. I think
lakes.
there are 7 or 8 lakes are in Nainital.
Okay,
Yes,
that's quite good. It's
yes,
quite good.
ma'am.
And mostly people, in cold places, mostly people I have observed they are, fair in
Mm.
color. They are quite fair. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
it's
Yes,
good. I have the fantasy. Like I am not, you can't say I'm fair, I'm British. I have the fantasy. I love people. Like with my before marriage, I went with my parents to Kashmir. And
okay.
I was fascinated by people. All were so beautiful, so fair. It was looking like some different kind of, place. So
Yes,
yeah, cold places have different kind of visibility. I love them very much. Though I'm scared of, cold weather. I cannot bear winters. Seriously, I can cope up with heated atmosphere, but I cannot cope up with winters. I feel very cold because we are living in that kind of place where we are used to it. But I
yes.
love watching whenever I watch in TV or phone. I love watching it.
Okay, so didn't you visit Uttarakhand ever?
No, no, no. But I would
Oh,
love to. Yeah, I want to come out of my comfort zone and want to just experience.
yes. So do you like traveling, ma'am?
Not much, not now. According now my children are at a growing stage. Now I feel like to give more time to them.
Okay,
Earlier, when children were small, I used to like travel, but now I feel that if I give more time to them, it would be good for them because they are at
right,
this stage. I can't think of myself. So
right.
right now, I'm totally focused on my language, my channel, and on my children.
Okay, that's nice, ma'am. So why did you start learning this language, or how did you start your journey?
Yes, actually, there's a gap of my job, teaching job, just because I was struggling my health issues. So there's quite a long gap. Now my children are also grown up; they are 12 years old. So I was feeling like I'm missing something because
Mm-hmm.
though I have been teaching them, but still there was some kind of I used to feel like I'm missing something. I have to utilize my time in a better way. Then I
Right,
thought, I think if I open my YouTube channel sitting at home, it would be the best option for me to
right,
connect with this language. So that's how I just opened my YouTube channel last year. This way, I have become the motive also, aim also to do something or to learn this language.
right. I think YouTube help us to be consistent in this
Yes, yes,
language.
yes,
It
yes.
motivates us.
Yes, and
Yes,
sitting at home, no, nothing is best than that. Nothing is better than that. You can sitting
right,
at home, you can learn this language even. You can
right,
fulfill your aim, especially when you cannot go out. This is the best part, I think. So that's why I have started this. And whenever you converse with the variety of people, that feels more good even.
right. I think we learn from their experiences too.
Yes,
Apart from language, we learn
yes.
so many things from different people.
Yes.
Yes,
Earlier, I was posting, solo videos like shorts related to vocabulary and all. Then once or twice somebody called me on their session, and I loved, to share their experience, tell something about myself. So this way, I also got curiosity to start talking to people. This way, I have also started, conversing with people, and I'm enjoying very much.
Okay. So, what kind of person you are means an extrovert or an introvert in
Uh,
real life.
I'm an introvert.
Okay.
I feel like, or I don't know, but I feel like I am an introvert. Many people says like being introvert is not so good, but I don't think so. Being
Right.
introvert has their own kind of personality. They have also their own kind of thinking. We cannot
Right.
compare them. Only the situation, time, only you can come. People usually compare between both of them when it comes to become socialized. That
Right.
introvert people socialize less in that. It depends upon the person also, I think.
Right. Right. Right.
Mm. What about you?
I'm also the same, ma'am. Means yes. Whenever it comes to talk with people nowadays, means in this language, I feel that I am an extrovert. But yes, in real life, I am an introvert.
Yes, yes,
Whenever it's very important to speak, only then I speak. Otherwise, yes, I also avoid
yes.
speaking much. Yes.
I feel that speaking unnecessary. Only you are if you are speaking limited amount. I think you save your energy to do
Right,
something good and better. I think
right,
introvert people have their thinking power is more good because they do not waste their energy speaking on unnecessary things or wasting their time in hanging out here and there. So I feel being introvert is also good, and sometimes I feel I am happy with that.
right, ma'am.
When it
Same.
becomes to socialize, I go to functions also, parties also. So I think it's good what kind of nature I possess. Yes, definitely sometimes I saw people, they are getting mingled so easily, they are not finding difficulty. I feel sometimes regarding myself that I cannot get mixed up so easily. I do take time, but I do not find anything bad in it. To whom I
Right,
get, properly, I'm compatible with, I only talk to them. Unnecessary, I don't like to talk and just go into the group and start talking. I even do not like that.
right, right,
Everybody has their own kind of nature, behavior. So it's all good.
right. Everything is good, we can say. Yes.
Yes, yes,
I am also someone like that, that I can't initiate a conversation. Yes,
yes,
if someone will talk to me, then I will be friendly with him or her. But yes, I can't initiate things.
yes, yes, yes. So it's good. Earlier I used to take out fault this and that, but now I'm happy with whatever kind of nature I have, and I'm improving a lot. If any time I come to know that I should work on it, like
Yes.
I was talking to someone in my previous session, and we were talking about personalities. So I
Yes.
was telling the same thing. Like whenever I feel that I should improve on this, definitely I go and try to improve on it. Like I try to find out what I have, been lacking. So I try to work on it. So,
Right.
people generally just always find qualities in them, like I'm like this and that. But instead of that, first I try to find out something which I need to improve. And I improve. So I just become a better person day by day. I
Yes.
think this is also important.
Right. And I think when you speak less, other person also value your thoughts or
Yes,
your worth. But if you
yes,
are just talking all the time, so no one value your worth.
yes, 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 definitely. And you can't
Right.
copy other person. Many times people just try to copy others, speak too
Yes.
much. That is also visible.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Right.
It
Right.
does not show your real nature. You looks artificial.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
That's true, ma'am.
yes, yes.
So what are your hobbies apart from learning this language? Is there any other hobbies?
Yeah, I love to teach actually. That's why yeah, I have put my tuition. I have put my children into tuition except English.
Okay.
Because I'll teach them English. Except English, I am sending them for all subjects for tuition except English. I teach them. And before that, also as a teacher, I was teaching in school. So from that time, I had this passion to teach. After becoming, expert in this language, I would definitely like to impart my knowledge to people. So
Okay.
I love that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I also feel that if I'll be fluent, in this language. I will also teach
Yes.
to beginners, but I get confused sometimes that if someone is complete beginner, we can say. So how can we start to teach him or her? Means what can be our strategy for those people?
I think along with because normally if any housewife or any youth is coming to you, definitely they want fluency. They don't want any tenses or grammatical part. But
Right,
along with teaching them, how to speak, grammar part is also very necessary. If they are totally nil or they are very much poor into grammar, so there is no way they will do a lot of mistakes even if they are speaking. So I think along with teaching them how to speak fluently, basic sentences, little grammatical part, to teach them is also very necessary. So we should go simultaneously with both the things, grammatical part also and teaching them little sentences also how to speak. So I
right,
think
right,
if a person is coming to you, we should first assess their, grammatical grammar level, to which
right.
level the person he is at. So this is also necessary.
Yes. Because if that person doesn't know the tenses or the grammatical other rules means, so he will able to speak that much only what he will listen from others.
Yes, yes,
Apart from that, he will get stuck.
yes, yes, definitely. If a person doesn't know where to use has and have, so it will become very much difficult. We will have to start. If a person is telling you, I don't want to, grammar is all in book, I can learn from book also. So that does not happen. So if a person
Right,
is poor, we'll have to start from grammar a little bit. So that at least if we are teaching them, that person is speaking, how much he's speaking, he should speak correct.
right, right, right.
Yes.
I think yes, the some basic vocabulary and tenses rules and
Must.
quite some prepositions
Yes,
also.
yes,
Because preposition is one thing where I also get confused sometimes that
yes,
where should I put on or in. It
yes.
happens too.
Actually, English is that kind of language. How much dive in, the more will come out. It is a
Right,
never-ending process. You take so many books. My children are in eighth class, and I have extra sample books, grammar books. In every book, in every chapter, there are different kind of sentences, different kind of exercises. So how much you go through, you will get something different. So it's
right,
just that kind of learning which is never ended.
right.
So,
Yes,
whenever I get spare time, I always try to, go through grammar. So it
yes,
helps you to speak better with correction.
yes, yes, yes. I think over time you will need advanced vocabulary to advanced rules to. But
Yes,
yes, if you are just starting your career English speaking journey, then you can go with basic tenses and
yes,
some grammatical rules and basic vocabulary.
yes, yes, yes. But initially now still it happens with me like I'm speaking. So it happens with me like I'm speaking, and as I spoke, I come to know I have made a mistake. Even though I know that thing that I have made, still I commit mistake. It happens when you are not regular in practicing, because you have
Right,
to manage both the things. You have to speak also, you have to maintain your correction also. This happens only that time. So I
right,
feel if daily talk to someone or talk to yourself for 15 to 20 minutes, that would be enough. You will start reducing your mistakes.
right,
So
right,
yeah, you're giving too much gap in speaking. I think that creates problem. Then we feel we know everything, still we are doing mistake. Why is it happening? Just because we just want to maintain both the things while speaking. So I think
right.
practicing is something which we should do on daily basis.
Right. I think gaining knowledge from books is important, but yes, to enforce that knowledge by speaking is also important.
Yes, yes,
Both
definitely.
the things will go simultaneously, we can say.
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
then we will be able to communicate.
Yes, yes. That I
Yes.
have been observing, as I'm practicing.
Yes. So, what do you think means English speaking or speaking in a language is a different thing? What do you think about communication skills? Means how we can improve our communication skills, means how what is our gesture when we are talking to someone, or our eye contact, means what do you think about these things?
if you have confidence, like how confidence comes while speaking. It comes only when you know that I can speak. Somebody
Right.
was telling me that when you speak, you are at so much of ease. You know,
Right.
yeah, that comes only when you are quite confident that you know if somebody is going to ask me something, I'm able to give the answer. So first of all, we need to be confident that much. Even if we have little problem, like many times, a person was asking me, like I get nervous, like what is the other person going to ask me? So I already start judging. "Oh, if he asks me that question, what will I answer?" Many people get nervous before somebody asks them anything. So I think to speak first, having confidence is very necessary. Even if
Right.
you cannot speak proper sentence, you can speak in a broken way. This is the
Right.
only, because mistakes will take place if you are a beginner, or even if you are a intermediate. Mistakes are the first step of learning. We should
Right.
not be scared of mistakes. It will happen definitely at any cost. So irrespective of mistakes, we should speak with
Right.
confidence. Even if we are coming to know we are doing mistake, it's okay, but we need to go on. This way, slowly and steadily, we will gain confidence also. And yes, eye contact is very necessary. If we will not keep an eye to eye, definitely we will lose our confidence, and it will be visible on our face. So that is very necessary. Automatically you gain confidence. So
Right. Right.
yeah, that is the biggest part which you pointed out.
Right. Actually, I had a session with a tutor on YouTube, and she told me, I asked her that, ma'am, what is the most important thing when we are learning this language? So she said to me that just be confident and just believe
Yes,
in yourself. If you
yes,
are believing in yourself, you can achieve anything.
yes,
And that means her this point of her I like the most, or that
yes.
touched my heart. Means yes,
Yes, there are so many YouTubers. I have seen their, initial videos. They were stucking a lot in the video, and you see their today video. If they would also think like this, we are stucking a lot, we do not have confidence how to speak, they would have never reached to this level. So I
right,
think we have to start, from somewhere, irrespective of knowing that we do not have confidence to speak, how to speak. We have to start. We have to take the first step,
right,
irrespective of knowing our lacking and all. So I
right,
think we need to, have this
yes,
spirit in ourselves. Like we
yes,
must go. Whatever problem we have, we will overcome it with time.
right, right. Things will take time, but yes, we
I think
definitely achieve
your
that thing.
video, you're no more visible. You are no more visible. Yeah, now
Am
you're
I with?
visible.
Yes, yes. I think due to network issue, it is happening.
Okay, okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
okay.
So yes,
Actually, I also see myself, I have just started the conversational videos. I also see myself at that stage, like after making so many videos and after reaching to a certain point of time, I also want to go back and see the difference in my speaking level, communication level. What was I, and now at what stage I have reached. That way I
right,
can, you feel good. You should appreciate yourself, how much we have improved. So I
right,
just
right,
want to reach that level and want to assess at that time.
right, right. You are absolutely right. I can also see that thing in me too, because I'm not, I can't say that I'm better, but yes, I'm better than before. When
Yes,
I had the first conversation, at that time I was very nervous and hesitant, but nowadays, gradually, I'm just reducing that nervousness or hesitation. So yes, it feels good that
yes.
I took that initiative and I started my journey. And
And
yes,
if you are able to present yourself like whatever you want to convey, it's the best thing. Like if you are
right,
able, whatever is in your mind, if you are able to express, I think nothing is better than that. Then you are good. You are at the right position. Only we
right.
need to improve with time.
Right. As yes, first our goal should be this that we are able to convey our thoughts to other person and he is also able to understand us.
Yes,
This
yes.
should be our prior motive. Yes.
Yes, yes. And after that, I think we should work on our vocabulary part. First, we should, go through this. Like we are able to now speak basics. sentences. Now we should come up with different phrases, idioms, and vocabularies. Now we should think of using them. We can easily use them because initially what we are doing, we are struggling to make
Right,
basic sentences, how to speak. At that time, we cannot use all of them. So after
right,
reaching to a certain point of time, then we can think of using them. I think we can use at that time because I
right.
love to use vocabulary, new words and phrases in my sentences. Though I'm not able to use them so far, but I'm thinking once to
Okay,
achieve that level, then I'll definitely start using those. Because
okay.
you don't think to start using it, just start coming to you automatically. It comes to you
Right,
naturally once you have the base to speak fluently.
right. So when you come across any new vocabulary, so how do you remember that? Do you
Uh,
use
Yeah,
this?
actually, in my I had till now 11 to 12 sessions, and in those sessions till now, how many new words or phrases I have used? I have used them. I have used. I remember them so far.
Okay,
There are 4 5 phrases and few words. Whenever
okay.
you use them and you hear your voice,
Right.
then you remember them. Like I have used long-standing desire with someone, with one of the YouTuber. It means, you are longing for this for so long. You had this desire. Same way
Okay.
on my toes. I'm always ready. It means I'm always ready. I'm always on my toes. So there are a few phrases which I have used, and if you start using them, you remember them also. But
Yes,
it
right.
is the difficult thing, yeah, like while speaking in a flow, how to use them, how to, bring into your
Right.
communication. That is quite difficult. I think also we can also attain this with time, as we get flow. I think with that flow we can use them when we are not struggling, when we are not thinking. I think at that time we can use them.
Right. I think in the starting, we have to add those vocabulary intentionally in our
Yes, yes, yes,
conversation, and over time, it will come naturally in
yes,
our
yes, definitely.
yes.
Yeah, right,
Right.
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 So
In,
I
initially, we have to do some more efforts, and
yes,
yes,
yes. Yes, so
right.
there is so much, this language is so excited. It gives me so much of excitement every time, like what to do with this language. So I'm so thrilled and excited every time I talk to someone. Every time think I'll learn something new. And definitely, every time I talk to someone, I definitely gain something.
Right, right. That is true, ma'am. That is definitely true. Do you take help of Chat GPT too? Do you?
Definitely, definitely. He's my best friend. I do not miss any chance. Like, I talk with my children in this language only. Like, I do not talk with them in Hindi. My basic
Okay.
language with them only in English is only in English. So, wherever I stuck, he's my best friend. I always use him. So,
Chat.
I think,
Yes.
yes, it has become my basic necessity. I cannot live without it.
Right, right.
By my children, Mama, what do you do every time on phone? Meka, beta, you don't know. Every time I talk to my friend. Yes,
Yes, I think these apps and these AI tools are helping us a lot to
yes,
learn this
yes,
language.
yes. When I was in my college days, at that time also I had this passion to speak in English. But at that time we had no such kind of facility. Every
Right,
time, we had to see the dictionary to find out any word, and forget about sentences. I used to ask from my father. There was no such, amenities. Today, it would be an excuse if somebody is saying how to learn English and all. There are so many
right,
facilities. You can learn
right,
if you have the dedication.
right. I think yes, due to digitalization, we are getting so many much help
Yes,
to
yes.
learn not only this language, but anything we can learn from social media, from YouTube or
Yeah.
Google, Chat. Yes,
Earlier, I used to, in my days, I used to take the newspaper and write difficult sentences in my notebook, and used
hmm,
to ask the meaning from my father.
okay,
And the second option was only the dictionary. I still have that notebook with me. So, earlier times we had to do a lot of struggle to, know to get into the language. But today's time is so much accessible for us. We can learn anything, so
right,
easily.
right, right, right. I heard from many people they are just asking Chat GPT that narrate a story for us,
Okay.
and then they are reading those stories. Means they are not going. physical books, but they are just asking ChatGPT to write down a story for them, and they are reading that too. And I
Okay.
think yes, and by that they can ask ChatGPT to give a crux of any book, and he
Okay.
can frame that crux in very short.
Okay.
Yes, I think that is also helpful.
Okay. I
Yes.
never, I never thought to go so much deep into it. I only, whenever I do not get any sentence, I only ask, okay, is this also the way, you can improve? Okay. I never thought.
I also didn't try that because
Okay.
yes, sometimes it's good to just stay away from your mobile phone. Because of that, I prefer physical books. But yes, I think someone who is not into physical books, so he can do that too.
Yes, yes. That is also a good way. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And initially, when I started this journey, I had to talk with ChatGPT for 40 or 50 minutes.
Okay.
I started with talking to ChatGPT only, and after 10 to 15 days, I went to real people.
Okay. I think
Yes,
you must have got so much confidence, with talking to ChatGPT.
yes, seriously. And I used to tell ChatGPT that whenever I will make mistake, please correct me in between when
Yeah.
we are conversation. Yes. So
How
yes,
much you are good in grammar, it is not related to your fluency at all. How much you are good in grammar.
right,
Fluency, something different, you will get it only by practicing.
right,
Yeah.
right.
And definitely, if you are practicing on daily basis, else you will commit a lot of mistakes. If I do
Right,
not practice for 3 4 days, I start fumbling a lot. I can tell you. So I just, I try to, even if I do not get anyone to converse, I try to converse with myself. So
right,
just to maintain it,
right.
because it
Actually,
is
you
not a native language, no. So you
right.
have to, force to. We have to enforce ourselves into this language.
Yes, as you have your kids to talk, so yes, you can talk to them too.
Yes, yes. I do not leave any opportunity to talk to them in English.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's also nice then.
Yeah.
Yes.
So don't you have any friends or wherever you go, you are doing your profession as an advocate there also? Do you communicate in your language or in English?
No, ma'am, I don't have any English speaking partner.
Okay.
We talk here in Hindi only, in our mother tongue.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
yes, that is why I preferred YouTube
Okay.
or yes, for sessions. I
If
think
you have your, yeah.
I'm still nervous to talk with someone in this language means in face to face.
Okay. Okay. So, but you are looking quite confident.
Yes, in online sessions, I am confident. Maybe
Okay.
means I didn't try to talk with someone face to
Actually,
face. Maybe once I will try, I will start, then I'll be confident in that too. But I
yes.
didn't start yet. Yes,
Actually, you have become comfortable, while talking to someone online. Same way, if you try once or twice, your hesitation will be over.
yes, ma'am. You are
Yes.
right. Now I'm also feeling so because earlier my situation was worse while talking to people online too, and
Yes.
now I overcame that thing. So yes, I
Yes,
will do that.
you can
Yes,
judge it, from your, the first video until today. How are you speaking? So same way, you can, remove your hesitation, because you
right,
you need to take, as I told you, need to take the first step. That first step is difficult.
right,
When we
right,
achieve
right.
that first step, then it becomes, very smooth for us.
Right, right. We feel scared to take that first step, I think.
Yes, yes. This is the main
When we
thing.
start working on that path, so it becomes easy day by
Yes,
day.
yes, yes. That's why
Yes,
many people back out. They
right,
keep on thinking and they could not move on. This is the only reason. They become
right,
scared. What will people think? Will I be able to, keep on their expectation or not? This way they could not move forward.
right, right, right.
Yeah.
At least it happened with me too. Earlier, I used to procrastinate because of that a lot.
Mhm.
I, whenever it comes, means whenever I used to take any session with any learner. So I used to procrastinate at that time too. That I shouldn't join this or something like that. I have to do anything other things. So I do that thing too. Yes,
Yes,
this
yes.
I'm consistent. Yes, and yes, I'm feeling that yes, if I will talk on regular basis with people, so once one day I will achieve fluency too.
Yes, 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 definitely. So, how are you good with talking to people on phone in this language?
Sorry, I
Have
didn't
you
get
ever
your.
tried? Means, whenever have you ever tried talking to people on phone in this language?
Yes, I think they are also stranger to me.
Okay,
Means actually I have joined a WhatsApp group. There
okay,
are some. So yes, I talk to them on audio call.
okay,
Some yes, and I feel comfortable. I
okay.
think that is more easy
Yes,
than
yes, yes,
video call because in
yes,
video call we have to work on our posture, gesture, our facial expression too. But yes, on audio call we just have to speak.
yes, yes. Try to communicate with any, like anyone, customer care executive. If you are, sending your query and all, it is just kind of boosting way for us. It gives us a
Right.
lot of boost. Like day before yesterday, my filter was water purifier was not working, and I had to put a complaint. So it
Okay.
was going so soothing for me. I just, I just dialed the number and start speaking with that executive in English, and it was so comfortable with me. Until
Yes.
you start speaking, you keep on feeling nervous. Once you
Right.
start it, it becomes very easier for you. So that is also the best thing. That is also very a comfortable way, talking to people. This way we can remove our hesitation. So try
Right.
we can try this way also.
Yes, ma'am. I will also try this.
Yes, even a person is answering in Hindi, but we have to try our best way to talk to that person in English
Right.
until they
Right.
tell us we are not able to understand you. Come in Hindi.
Right. Right.
I think we
Right, ma'am.
need to have that passion in ourselves.
Yes. Right.
Yes.
We have to think that anyhow we have to learn this language.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why we should not leave even a single opportunity, whatever comes to us. Because you
Right.
cannot talk to your mother or father or your family member, every time in English. They'll scold us, please forgive us. But at least, you should not miss the opportunity. If there is any outsider, we should avail the opportunity.
Right. 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 I think yes. By that we will be comfortable in this
Yes,
language.
yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely.
Yes. I think it's been 45 or 50 minutes, ma'am.
Wow,
That
it's
we are
almost
talking.
50 minutes. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
But it
So
was lovely talking to you.
same
Still
here,
we
ma'am.
can take out, so many things to talk. But as we are, bound with the time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. I also learned so many things from you.
Likewise, likewise. I also come to know so many queries, so many things.
Yes.
Thank you
So
very much.
yes. So now we should wrap up this session.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
thank you, ma'am. Nice
Thank
to
you,
talk.
Veena, so much. Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.